Here's a new 2019 Cadillac CTS sedan. There's good and then there's extraordinary. This CTS is a driving experience like no other. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, power heated mirrors, Ultra View Express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, V6 engine, sport suspension, Bluetooth streaming audio, dual zone climate control, gas pressurized shocks, auto dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. For over a century, Cadillac has been synonymous with automotive innovation. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Call us today at 1-866-460-9587.